Today I am going to discuss the questions of exercise question of chapter motion of class 9. I hope that you have already watched my previous videos. If you have not watched my previous videos, then go to the description of this video. You will find one playlist. Go through it. If you find any difficulty, you comment there. I will solve your doubt. Okay. So here is the first question of NCERT exercise question chapter motion. The first question is, an athlete complete one round of circular track of diameter 200 meter. Okay, diameter is 200 meter and in 40 seconds. Suppose any athlete, first of all try to draw the diagram of any question, whether it is easy or tough. It will increase your thinking level. Okay, so any athlete will move around a circular track having radius is how much? Diameter is 200 meter. First of all, given data you have to write, given data and diagram. Diameter is how much? If the diameter is 200 meter, then radius is diameter by 2. You know this. So this is 100 meter. Radius is 100 meter. Time of completing one round means time of completing, you write down time of completing one round what is the time taken to complete one round is 40 seconds. What will be the distance and displacement at the end of 2 minutes 20 seconds? So total time is how much given? Total time of travel means total time he is traveling along a circular path or moving along a circular path is 2 minutes 20 seconds. What is the meaning of this? 2 minutes, 1 minute means 60, 60 into 2, 120, and 120 plus 20, this is 140. This is 140 seconds. 1 minute is 60 seconds and 20 seconds more. So 120 plus 2 into 60 plus 20, that is 140 seconds. Okay. Now you tell me one thing, how much round he takes? So in 40 seconds he takes one round. 40 seconds में one round. Okay, in 40 seconds one round. Then in 1 second how much round? 1 by 40 round. So what is the total time of traveling? 140 seconds. Therefore you can write, in 1 second he is traveling 1 by 40 round. Okay, so in 140 second, how much round he will travel? 1 by 40. Here you multiply. यहाँ आपने 1 by 40 1 है तो यहाँ आपने multiply किया 140. That's why you have to multiply here also 140. So here also 140. Okay, 140. So this will cancel. 2 2 is 4, 2 7 is 14. That is 7 by 2. 7 by 2 is how much? 7 by 2 is 3.5. Means 3.5 round he is taking along a circular path. Now what is the distance? Distance formula you know. Distance is equal to 2 pi r in one revolution, in one round. Distance in one round is how much? In circular path you know the circumference एक round में distance कितना होगा? If the radius is r, then distance traveled by any object in completing one round is how much? 2 pi r. So how much round he is taking? He is taking 3.5 round. In time how much? In time 3.2 minutes 20 seconds. So you can write directly distance. एक राउंड में इतना ले रहा है तो डिस्टेंस 3.5 राउंड में कितना लेगा? एक राउंड में इतना है तो 3.5 राउंड में आपको मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा 2 pi r into 3.5. Now everything is given. What you have to do? You have to put the values only. What is the value of radius? 100. What is the value of pi? 3.14. Okay, 3.14. Or you can take 22 by 7. You solve this and comment me the answer. Distance is in meter. इतना तो आप करो, इतना नहीं करोगे तो फिर क्या फायदा पड़ के? R is 100, pi is 22 by 7 और 3.14 you can take 22 by 7 लेना क्योंकि ये 35, 7 5 जो 35 हो जाएगा, कट जाएगा. क्लियर? पुट द वैल्यू, ये आपको नहीं लेना है, 22/7 लेना, कट जाएगा ये, ठीक है। नाउ यू हैव टू फाइंड द डिस्प्लेसमेंट. हाउ टू फाइंड द डिस्प्लेसमेंट? डिस्प्लेसमेंट इज इन हाउ मेनी राउंड? 3.5 राउंड, क्योंकि 3.5 राउंड कितने टाइम में लिया जा रहा है? 140 सेकेंड, दैट इज 2 मिनट 20 सेकेंड. यही पूछा गया है कि हाउ मच डिस्टेंस कवर्ड बाय दैट ऑब्जेक्ट इन 2 मिनट 20 सेकेंड, दैट इज 140 सेकेंड. सो वेरी सिंपल. डिस्प्लेसमेंट के लिए आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? देखना पड़ेगा 3.5 राउंड कहाँ तक है. सो इन वन कंप्लीट राउंड व्हाट इज द डिस्प्लेसमेंट? ए टू ए डिस्प्लेसमेंट इज हाउ मच? 0. एक राउंड में डिस्प्लेसमेंट क्या हो जाएगा? 0, बिकॉज यू नो डिस्प्लेसमेंट इज द शॉर्टेस्ट डिस्टेंस बिटवीन इनिशियल पॉइंट एंड फाइनल पॉइंट. तो इनिशियल पॉइंट ए था, घूम करके ए में आ गया, तो डिस्प्लेसमेंट कितना हो गया? 0, क्योंकि वही पॉइंट से उसी पॉइंट पे दो सेम पॉइंट के बीच का डिस्टेंस कितना होता है? 0. कोई डिस्टेंस ही नहीं है एक सेम पॉइंट का डिस्टेंस. दैट्स वाई डिस्टेंस इज 0 in 1 complete round. So in 3 complete round again displacement is 0. But 3.5 round means what? 3.5 round means half round, 1 round, 2 round, 3 round. 3.5 round is here only. So what is the displacement? This is R is 100. So A, this is B. So 100 plus 100. So you have to put here 100 plus 100, that is 200. Don't forget to write the unit. You have to mention the unit. Here unit is in meter. That's why everything is in diameter is in meter. That's why you have to put here meter. This is the displacement. You can copy and you solve and comment me the answer. Okay. Now in the second question it is given that Joseph moves from A to B by covering a distance of 300 meter, okay, in 2 minutes 30 seconds from A to B. Then Joseph turns around, he moves from A to B, then turns around, घूम गया वो, and moves from B to C. So where will the point C? Here or here? It will be here only. And moves and covers 100 meter in 1 minute. Find Joseph's speed and velocity from A to B and A to C. आपको निकालना speed और velocity. So what is the formula for speed? Speed is total distance upon total time. And what is the formula for velocity? Total displacement upon total time. Okay. So you just put the formula in, find the values. Okay. So speed first I am finding from A to B. So you write from A to B. What is the speed? Speed is equal to distance by time. Very simple question. Distance by time. So distance is given how much? Distance is 300 meter from A to B. So put here 300 meter. And what is the time from A to B? What is the time he takes? Joseph takes from A to B. He takes 2 minutes 30 seconds. What is the meaning of 2 minutes 30 seconds? 1 minute means 60. So 2 minutes means how much? 1 minute means 60 seconds. So 60 and already 30 seconds. So it will gives you 150 seconds. 150 seconds. So time is 150 seconds. So what is the answer? Speed is from A to B is 2 meter per second. Similarly, velocity. Here also speed is equal to velocity because body is here, distance is equal to displacement. Whenever body moves along a straight line, that time distance is equal to displacement. It means 300 is the same for displacement also. So same velocity is also same. Now from A to C, where is the point C? Here. So speed from A to C. From A to C, you have to find speed. So speed is what? Speed is total distance by total time. Total distance upon total time. So what is the total distance? Total distance कितना होगा? बताओ. A से C तक यहाँ से गया 300, then again turn and move 100 meter more. So what is the total distance? 300 plus 100, that is 400. So you have to put here 400. And what is the total time? Total time is what? Total time is up to here time, up to here time. So total time is from A to B the time is 150 second and from B to C the time is how much? The time is 1 minute. तो total time कितना हो गया? 2 minute 30 second. ठीक है, 2 minute 30 second हो गया ना टोटल टाइम. यहां से यहां जाने में 2 minute 30 second लग रहा है. इट मीन्स हाउ मच? 150 second. और यहां से यहां आने में से टाइम लग रहा है 1 minute. यहां से यहां तक कितना लगा? 1 minute 30 second. ओके, 2 minute 30 second. तो टोटल कितना हो गया टाइम? 3 minute 30 second. यहां से यहां तक 2 minute 30 second, then again 1 minute, means 3 minute 30 second. 3 minute 30 second means what? 3 minute. 1 minute is 60 seconds, so you put here 60. 3 minute 30 second. Okay, 3 minute 30 second. Now you put the values, you can find and comment me the answer. You solve this speed from A to C. Similarly, if you want to find the velocity from A to C, then what to do? Very easy. Velocity is total displacement by total time. तो क्या होगा velocity बताओ? Velocity is velocity from कहाँ से? A to C. Displacement, total displacement अपॉन टोटल टाइम. टाइम हमेशा टोटल लेना है, याद रखना, गलती मत करना. ये टाइम आपको पूरा लेना है. डिस्प्लेसमेंट क्या हो गया बताओ? जोसेफ यहां से यहां गया, फिर यहां आया. सो व्हाट इज द इनिशियल पॉइंट? दिस. व्हाट इज द फाइनल पॉइंट? दिस. सो व्हाट इज द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन इनिशियल पॉइंट एंड फाइनल पॉइंट? टोटल डिस्टेंस इज 300. ही मूव्स अगेन बैक 100. सो व्हाट इज द टोटल डिस्टेंस रिमेनिंग बिटवीन A and C? द टोटल डिस्टेंस रिमेनिंग इज 200 मीटर. सो आंसर इज हाउ मच? You comment me the answer. Total distance is 200 meter and time will never decrease. Time is always increasing. Okay? Time तो आपको लेना ही पड़ेगा, चाहे वो कोई भी इस पे रहे. ठीक है, तो टाइम कितना लगा? यहाँ से यहाँ जाने में 2 minute 30 second, then again 1 minute. So total time is 3 minute 30 second. Now you comment me the answer. 3 minute means 60 plus 30 second. You can very easily solve. Okay, this is very simple. First you BODMAS rule you apply, you multiply, you add, then you divide and comment me the answer. Okay, this is all about today's lecture.